of the experiment which you have sent me the audios also. So regarding that experiment only we will continue further this topic. This is experimental and control groups. This is a new topic. This is experimental and control groups. In this also I will explain you what is experimental group and what is control group. In the same way, I have sent you one pic. In that pic you have sent me the after seeing that pic you have sent me the audios regarding the experiment of Latney and Darley. ठीक है, they have done experiment about the smoke. ठीक है, what is when room is filled with smoke, what the reaction the participant do regarding that only. In this experiment also we will follow the same Latney and Darley experiment. In this there are 3 rooms. Total how many rooms? 3 rooms, and in one room there was a university student who knows everything, and in another second room there were the 3 persons and they 3 were new. There were 3 persons, they were new. And in the third room there were also 3 persons, but the 2 persons were said that you will not respond when smoke will enter in your room. You will not respond to anything. That was explained to them, already said to them that you will not respond. But there was a one person who was new. To that person nothing was explained, nothing instruction, no instruction was given to the third person. Now what happened when the experiment was going on in this room? When the person who don't have who don't know any instruction, he saw the other two are not responding by the smoke, so his reaction was also same like the others. But here in the second room all students was new, so in this new students they all react in a different way. ठीक है ना, this person react in the same way the others were reacting, because they both were explained that you won't react if the smoke enters in the room. That was already said to these 2 persons. After seeing these 2 persons, this person didn't react anything. So they were the new students, so they all were new, no instruction was given to them, so they react in a different way than this guy. So this was the control group. This was the person who was already knowing about the experiment and he didn't react anything. Okay? So now my point is to explain you control group and experimental group. Now see, these 2 groups will be what? Experimental group, because experiment is done on them. Because here one student, he showed his reaction by seeing these 2 persons. These 3 were the new, they react in a different way than this new student. Okay, the reaction, no doubt these 3 and this one student was the same, they were the new, but his reaction was different than their reaction. So what is this? These 2 groups on which we do experiment, this is experimental group. And there was a one person to whom we have already instructed, he knew, he was a university student. तो this is कंट्रोल ग्रुप, जिसे हमने कंट्रोल कर लिया है. ठीक है, दैट वाज द कंट्रोल ग्रुप. So experimental group, in experimental group we can manipulate the things. We are manipulating the things, we are changing the things according to our need. So in control groups we can't do any manipulation, we can't. ठीक है ना, no manipulation is done, but they are treated in the same way as experimental method. Smoke यहाँ भी enter हुई थी, smoke इस रूम में भी enter हुई थी. This was the control group. इसमें एक ही बंदा था जिसने कोई रिएक्शन नहीं करना था. लेकिन in the second room there was a 3 persons. These 3 persons make a reaction in a different way than this one. So this is control group in which the treatment is given same. Experimental group and control group treatment is given same. There's no difference. Smoke will enter in their room also as well as in this room also. ठीक है, so in this we can't do any manipulation, but in these 2 groups we can do manipulation. So control group won't say anything, same treatment is done. ठीक है, they are he is treated in the same way the others were treated. So this is control group, and these two are the second and third room is experimental group on which we are doing experiment. This was about this control and experimental group. So there are three other variables which you have to keep in mind in studying this experimental and control group. There were other three types. First is organismic variables. So organismic variables क्या होते हैं, जिसे हम such as anxiety, intelligence, personality, मीन्स ऑर्गेनिज्मिक वेरिएबल्स होते हैं जैसे एंग्जाइटी, इंटेलिजेंस, पर्सनैलिटी. इन तीनों का इस एक्सपेरिमेंटल पे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, ये कांस्टेंट है. ये सारे वेरिएबल्स क्या है, कांस्टेंट. दीज ऑल वेरिएबल्स व्हिच आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्कस नाउ, दे आर कांस्टेंट इन दिस ऑर्गेनिस्टिक वेरिएबल सच एज एंग्जाइटी, इंटेलिजेंस. हो सकता है ये ज्यादा इंटेलिजेंट हो, ये कम इंटेलिजेंट हो, नो, दे आर कांस्टेंट. मीन्स इंटेलिजेंस का, पर्सनालिटी का, एंग्जाइटी का, डिप्रेशन, स्ट्रेस का कोई भी रोल नहीं होगा इन ऑर्गेनिस्टिक वेरिएबल, दे आर कांस्टेंट. सो सेकंड वाज सिचुएशनल वेरिएबल. So in situational or environmental variable, in situation variable is also known as environmental variable, and in this noise, the room temperature, then humidity of the room, they are kept constant, no change in the temperature. Temperature of these three room will be same, humus will be same, noise pollution, they will be same. So they are constant in situational or environmental variable. So third number is sequential. In sequential variable means steps. How many steps are there in experiment? In our experiment there is only one step, that is we have to fill the room with the smoke. But if we talk about other experiment, or in this experiment also, if the smoke we can make some more changes, like the room temperature change, then that is sequence. Sequence means steps. The steps of the एक्सपेरिमेंट इन दीज थ्री ग्रुप्स विल बी सेम. ये नहीं कि इसमें एक स्टेप हुआ, इसमें दो हो गए, इसमें तीन हो गए, नो. स्टेप अगर सेम है, स्टेप अगर इफ वी आर टेकिंग वन स्टेप टू फॉर डूइंग द एक्सपेरिमेंट, देन वन स्टेप विल बी डन ऑन दीज थ्री रूम्स. So in one group we can't say that we can do 2 steps, or in this we can't say that we can do 3 steps. So sequential, it should also be constant. Situation variable, it should also be constant. Then organistic variable, it should also be constant. In organistic, anxiety, intelligence and personality comes under this, and in situations आ जाती हैं, और sequential में sequence, the number of steps. So ये सारे वेरिएबल्स कांस्टेंट होंगे इधर कंट्रोल एंड एक्सपेरिमेंटल ग्रुप में. दैट्स ऑल अबाउट टुडेस वीडियो. थैंक यू.